guys. Good morning netizens and adventurers! Panibagong araw, panibagong lugar na naman ang ating pupuntahan. So samahan niyo ako at tuklasin ang natatanging ganda ng Dipakulaw, Aurora.
From the mid-eastern coast of Aurora Province, a hidden gem is yet to be discovered. Dipakulaw, a third-class agricultural town encompassing 25 barangays where rice, fish, and coconut are its main source of foods. The center point of Aurora, connecting the northern towns with other municipalities, shaped like a narrow strip boasting the longest coastline in the province. Dipakulaw was converted from a barrio of Baler into an independent municipality in the year 1950.
So hi guys, so nasa Barangay Mukdol na po kami at papunta po kami sa Barangay Lipit para puntahan yung Lipit Beach. So update ko na lang po kayo kapag ando na po kami. So as you can see guys, nakikita ko na yung dagat from here, Lipit Beach. First time ba ate?
Lipit Beach, nestled along the coastline of Dipakulaw in the Philippines, is a hidden paradise to be seen. With its pristine stretch of golden sand extending for several kilometers, the beach offers a serene escape from the bustle of daily life. Activities at Lipit Beach are plentiful, ranging from surfing the inviting waves, basking under the tropical sun, to camping under a blanket of stars by the beachfront. Beyond the allure of its surfing waves, the area is surrounded by lush landscapes waiting to be explored. Hiking trails meander through the nearby forests, offering visitors a chance to immerse themselves in the local biodiversity and perhaps catch a glimpse of the region's wildlife.
So yan na nga guys, no? Tumatakbo na sa ang init kasi dito guys.
So ngayon nasa water district tayo ng Dipakulaw at nasa Barangay Puangi at dito din matatagpuan ang Ugbog.
Halina't magtampisaw at magbabad sa pinakakilala, pinakamalinaw at pinakamatandang paliguan sa Dipakulaw, ang Ugbog. Located in Barangay Puangi that offers one of the clearest waters here in Dipakulaw. Despite being a creek, you will be mesmerized by its azure blue water, tempting for you to swim along with other people. Due to its infinite water supply, Ugbog became the water district of Dipakulaw, supplying a vast number of communities around the town.
She waits, I'll be halfway to my mama's home. It just dawned on me life is as fleeting as a passing dawn. And it was my mistake, she never said a thing about Jesus. I miss my mother's southern drawl and her praying through the walls in the evening. Give me my dawn's bell. Everything that dies makes its way back. Lost the last July in a heart attack. I need one small victory. Give me my dawn's back. 'Cause everything that dies makes its way on back. I lost the last July in a heart attack. I need one small victory.
Maganda ba dito tatay? Ha? Maganda ba dito?
Magandang lugar itong ang kwan na ito, Ampere Boulevard.
Ate.
Unlike your typical beach that's filled with sand, Ampere Beach is filled with solid rocks. It is a beach where tourists go not for swimming, but for its magnificent sight it has to offer. The beach is known for its smooth rocks of various sizes and colors, and massive waves and breathtaking view of sunrise. Rock balancers will have a great time on this beach because its rocks comes in many forms and sizes. Forget about your conventional sand castles because you'll be challenged to make a rock castle in this place.
Running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your best enemy. I love you when you're singing that song.
Ding 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 bong ding 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 ding.
So, after ng mahabang biyahe namin papuntang Barangay Dibutunan, nag-stop over muna kami dito para kumain, syempre. Kami kumain, busog kami. Ay, gutom kami pala.
Dibutunan is known for its fresh seafood given that it is near the ocean, and fishing is the main livelihood of locals here. One of the must-try dishes is the kinilaw, which is a Filipino ceviche made with fresh fish, vinegar, and spices. Although we were not able to eat this dish, we still grilled some tilapia that we bought on the way to Dibutunan, perfectly partnered with grilled eggplants. We had a great time eating with our relatives here in Dibutunan. They surely had a great humor interacting with us, despite visiting them again after 4 years, actually.
Kain tayo, guys!
You curve thought ways when you're handling the candelabra. So you're sitting on the baby grand, transmitting like you made a man. But you paint a funny face like a chick. When I see you, I'ma tell you quick that.
So, hi guys! So, nasa Dibutunan na kami ngayon. At kasama po namin si Ate Marisol, isang local dito. At papunta po kami sa Twin Cave, doon sa Dibutunan Beach.
Yes guys, maglalakad lang po kami. Wala po kasi kaming sasakyan eh. Hirap lang kami. Charot. Ayun,
Hi, guys.
Papunta tayo.
Malayo pa ba ate? Malayo pa daw po. Malayo pa ang lalakbayin ng ating team. Huy!
Ipanumpa kong titikabihan o pagahuktan ko ang tanan. Ipanumpa kong digyo ko mubuhi ang kinabuhi ko kanimo lang. Whoa, kanimo lang.
Ang init po. Isa po sa kinabubuhay ng mga taga-Dibutunan, ang pangingisda. So bali po yung pupuntahan natin. Lalagpas pa po tayo dun. Diyan sa bato po na malaki na yan. Bali dalawa pa pong bato na ganyang kalaki yung lalagpasan bago makapunta sa Twin Cave.
Hindi guys, malalaki lang ng bato. Charot. At iniwan na nga po kami ng aming team.
So dito po dadaan. Tarik po. Taas po. Maganda ba yung tatay ko? Ate, nakalahati na ba natin pag ganito? So hindi pa daw po nakakalahati yung pagpunta sa Twin Cave. 1/4 pa lang daw po ito. Kaya ko to. Ngayon po si ate. Nakakapagod po. Pero kakayanin. Taas po. Ang taas po. Hindi ko na po talaga ito ulitin. Bali yan po yung taas. Inakit namin. So, optional lang naman po yung maglakad. So, nakapunta na po kami. Ito po.
Dito, kita dito.
Bali yan po.
Okay, tight na
Ganda. Ito po mas magandang view sa Twin Cave po. Bali nasa gilid po siya ng dagat. So nasa Barangay Dibutunan po to. So kung pupunta po kayo dito, magdala po kayo ng napakaraming tubig sa pagkain. Kasi kung maglalakad po kayo, mahirapan po talaga kayo. Pero kung mag-aarkila po kayo ng bangka, mas maganda po. So after po ng napakahabang paglalakad, kakain muna po kami.
Mawawalan ng tubig kasi.
Nilitaw yan natin yan. Nilitaw yun parang kasangan. Ayun o, mga kasangan. Nakadubog.
So kapag po pala umaga yan, low tide po yan, nalalakad pa daw po yan. Eh ngayon po kasi mga tanghali na po kami nakadating, high tide na po ngayon. So kahit hindi po pala yan bangkain sa umaga, kakayanin, maglakarin.
Explore not just one, but a Twin Caves here in Dibutunan. Tourists may rent a boat from any of the local fishermen. It offers a site for cliff diving, and if the waves are too strong, visitors can also walk to the location. As you walk the rough path, enjoy the cool breeze and company by your friends. This travel made this weekend getaway truly worth the hours and effort to reach the beauty of Dipakulaw, Aurora.
So pabalik na po kami. Pabalik na kami. Pero malayo pa.
No, ano sasabi mo?
Pagod. Pero worth it naman. Pawis oh. Oh.
Iba yung kulay mo.
Ito po yung kulay ng North ko original. Ito po yung pawis. Ilang taon na po kayo nakatira dito?
18 years.
18, bali, nung since birth po, dito na po kayo nakatira. Sa tingin niyo po yung Twin Cave po na pinuntahan natin, sa tingin niyo paano po yun mas mapapaganda ng gobyerno ng government ng Dipakulaw para mas tangkilikin or mas puntahan pa ng maraming tao? Given na ganyan po kalayo nilakad natin, alam ko po may hirapan yung mga ibang tourists na pupunta dyan.
So as you can see naman, sa dinaanan natin is kulang talaga siya ng
Safety.
parang hindi siya safe na puntahan kasi yung dadaanan natin is matatarik, ganyan. So sa tingin ko, para ma-enhance yung lugar natin or mapuntahan ng mga turista, so dapat for me, pwedeng ilagay ng government is syempre unahin naman kung paano makakapunta yung mga turista dyan. Like, sa daan, ganyan. And then, after nun, syempre madali na lang makakapaglagay mo in advance, earlier, para mapaganda yung
So that's the end of our trip, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Kagaya ko. And see you on to our next vlog. Bye-bye!
Ate. Nalinis na bit.
Nakakita ka na ng nyog na kulot.
So,
Ito naman mo.
See you to our next
pa. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she's...
That's the end.
Wait,